In this video, we'll walk through how Access Server Link helps you get from first deployment to a working self-hosted VPN faster and with less manual setup. To get started, log into the Access Server Hub by clicking Sign In on OpenVPN.net. If this is your first time logging in, click Deploy your first Access Server. Otherwise, click Installation from the left menu. For new customers, Access Server Link is selected by default as the recommended deployment method, while other options like manual Linux installation, Docker, and marketplace images are still available for users who prefer those paths. From there, the user walks through the Easy Deployment wizard and chooses a deployment name. For this demo, I'll use my demosite.openvpn.com, which becomes the Access Server Link URL for both the admin UI and client UI. Since I'm deploying on AWS in this demo, I'll also select an AWS region. The username is fixed as OpenVPN, and I'll create a password that will be used later to sign into the Access Server Admin Web UI. Then confirm that you wrote down your password so you can use it later to log in. Once done, click on Deploy, in this case on AWS. We will be redirected to our AWS Quick Create Stack page, where a Quick Create flow is pre-filled with the required deployment details. We need to fill the rest of the information, such as our EC2 name, VPC, subnet, SSH key, and so on. Once done, click Create Stack. This will take a few minutes. While the deployment is running, Access Server Hub shows the deployment as pending and gives the user an option to redeploy if something goes wrong. When the deployment is successful, you will see a confirmation in the hub. After that, you can manage the deployment from the My Access Servers page, where you'll see the Access Server URL, deployment overview, server status, connection usage, and subscription details. Next, I'm going to click Open Admin Web UI and sign in using the username OpenVPN and the password I created earlier. Since this is the first time signing in, I'll need to accept the license agreement. After that, I'm in the admin UI and can continue configuring the Access Server.